Hey everybody, and welcome to the tutorial for how to set up the BlueBridge Terminal Service. We'll be setting up the service on this laptop here and using the phone there to connect to it. I'll be going through and showing how to actually run the install script for setting up your dependencies, and then actually running the Python script on the laptop itself. After that, we'll switch over to the phone, we'll connect to it, and then just run a couple of basic commands to show that it's working. Up until this point, the only prerequisites to this video would be that the phone and the laptop are actually paired at this point. But other than that, there really isn't anything else would have been done. So we can go ahead and get started. So this is a laptop. It's running Ubuntu MATE 1804 LTS, and the files that I'll be using are available up on the Google Drive. There will be links down below in the comments. So we'll start with the installer script. Yes. You can see the installer script, so install.sh. That script will go through and make sure that all of your software packages are up to date. It will install Linux dependencies, it will install Python dependencies, and it will make a small change to the Bluetooth service configuration, forcing it to run in a compatibility mode, but it's all done within the script. So I can run that real quickly. So let that run. I've already got all this run several times, so it shouldn't take long, but it will likely take longer during your install. Okay, so now that script is running, all of the dependencies for running the terminal service Python script are set up. Now before I actually run the service on this, I'm going to switch over to the actual phone I'll be using to connect with, and opening up the BlueBridge app. Now you can see here that it actually already found a device. It is not this laptop. I actually run this already on a headless server of mine, so there's no keyboard, no mouse, but I still like to be able to do some basic, administrative things with it. But that is not this laptop again. So going back to the laptop, I will now run the actual Python script. You can see it there, sudo python bb terminal service.py. Again, that is also available on the Google Drive through the links in the comment or in the description. Run it. You can see it is now, the laptop is actually waiting for connections from paired devices. And again, prerequisite, laptop is already paired with the phone. Now, this app, it does not go through, it doesn't actively search for other devices, other than a couple of, few situations, but I can force it to scan for nearby Bluetooth devices that are running any kind of BlueBridge service by just holding down the little control button for just a second. Now the laptop will acknowledge that something is connected to it, and the app will respond by showing a new device that can be interacted with nearby. Just give it just a second here. There we go. Okay. So the new device is Linux laptop. Select it as the thing I want to interact with, and the only service on that device is the terminal service, which we just started. So opened up, and again the laptop actually acknowledged the device that connected by displaying the MAC address. I'll just run a simple list directory contents command. Now you can see that they both reacted to me having entered that command. The script I'm running right now on the laptop is slightly verbose just for the sake of the video and testing, but the one that's available online just has this one line commented out that prevents it from printing all of the commands and responses to the screen. So if you're familiar with Python, you can go in there and remove that hash from the script. But other than that, that's all there is to setting up the BlueBridge service on a device. Leave any questions, comments down below. I'll respond to them the best I can. And thanks for watching the video.